Hello, everybody. I am here to help you walk through some of the research for English Task 3, Slide 6 of your Organism project. Okay? So as you guys are researching and trying to figure out here whether your organism is endangered or extirpated or threatened or special concern or none of the above, which could mean totally healthy, it might not be so clear for you as to what the answer is because websites might disagree or they might use language that's not very clear. So let me kind of go through this with you and show you how you can sort of figure it out on your own. So my first example here is the baobab tree. Now I don't know, it's a plant. I don't know if it's endangered or not. And there's not really one good website for plants that tells us, is it endangered or not? What's its status? So we have to search on Google. Okay, I'm gonna write baobab tree endangered. And it tells me not extinct, which is not very helpful because all those categories are not extinct. Now, if I read through these headlines, climate change is killing these ancient trees. Climate change is wiping out the baobab. Endangered baobab trees. Oh, are they endangered? I better read more to find out. Now this, if I skim and scan through this website, climate change is killing these ancient trees. They're suddenly dying. Rainfall patterns in Africa, where baobab trees can be found, have changed as a result of global warming. Since they require enormous amount of water, this has put them in a dangerous situation. Global warming will soon make many current baobab habitats unsuitable for many of the big trees. Also, rapid human development has restricted where they can grow. Okay. So this has given me some hints. Now still, it's not so clear which category do I put it into. If it doesn't say exactly and you're not totally sure, you're welcome to make your own opinion about it based on the research that you've read, as long as your reasons connect to what you've said. So for here, I think maybe threatened is the best choice because it doesn't seem like they're endangered yet, but they're becoming endangered because of global warming. So I'm going to put it as threatened. And when I write down my reasons, the ones that I found right here that we just read together, that's going to support why it's threatened. It's becoming threatened because of global warming. And humans are developing in its natural habitat. Okay. Now another example here is the chacma baboon, which we've been working on. Okay. If you chose an animal, you're a bit lucky because there's a great website, WWF, which can help us to figure out if it's endangered or not. We go to the WWF website and we hover over wildlife and go to endangered species. We get a list of all the WWF's endangered species, and it starts with the most endangered, critically endangered, all the way down, endangered, and then vulnerable. And it goes all the way down to least concern. Now I'm going to use the Control F search function, and I type in baboon, and I see, oh, there's no baboons on this page. I'm going to go to the second page as well. I search again, no baboons. And if I read really carefully, I'd find the same thing, no baboons. Okay, this is suggesting to me that it's not endangered if it's not on the endangered list. But I'm going to Google just to double check. Chacma baboon endangered. Least concern. Population stable. This source is the Encyclopedia of Life. This is a website I really trust, and it's really great. So it seems like, oh, here we go, Wikipedia. The species is not threatened, but human population pressure has increased contact between humans and baboons. Hunting, trapping, and accidents kill or remove many baboons from the wild. Are they endangered? Oh, these chacma baboons in this place could be extinct in 10 years. So it seems like they're not really endangered, but they have some problems. For that, I'm going to choose special concern. And when I explain my reasons from the websites that I found, I might write down that the WWF doesn't classify it as endangered or of concern, but there are a few things that maybe are causing it some problems. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Good luck.